One day, a large crowd was gathered to witness the sporting spectacles and a wise old man. The race commenced, and the winner was a little boy. The crowd was ecstatic and cheered and waved at the boy. The wise old man remained still, silent and calm. Another race was called on, and the boy was again the winner. The crowd again was ecstatic and waved and cheered at the boy. The wise old man was again silent and calm. Another race, pleaded the little boy. The wise old man stepped out and presented the boy with two new challengers, an elderly frail lady and a blind man. "What is this?" quizzed the little boy. "A race," said the wise man. The race was started and the little boy was the only finisher. The other two challengers were standing at the starting line. The boy felt proud and important. However, the crowd was silent. "Why not do the people join in my success?" asked the little boy. "Race again," said the wise old man, "but this time finish together." The boy thought a little and then stood in the middle of the frail old lady and the blind man and took their hands together and started the race. He walked slowly, ever so slowly, and finished the race. The crowd was more ecstatic than twice the time. The wise old man smiled and nodded his head. Then the boy asked, "Old man, I understand not. For whom the crowd is cheering for? Which one of us three?" Then the wise man looked into the boy's eyes and replied softly, "In this race you have won much more than in any race you have ran before. In this race, the crowd cheered for not any winner." So, this wise man is something similar to our father Jacob Nirnyambili CMI, who had asked us, who had made us to run together and to capture together, to succeed together. With his motto, "Ignite the young minds," he had ignited us. Since from 2015 onwards, we knew his gratified service. Even though towards his retired period, from Christ Monastery to Christ College of Engineering, and from there to our beloved principal of Christ Vidyaniketan, and from there to a great position as a prior of Christ Monastery, and now as a super manager and a super coordinator of Christ Vidyaniketan. Our father Jacob Nirnyambili CMI is interested in painting and playing tabla. We know that every canvas is a journey all at once. Yes, from late 1988 to 2017, it was a great journey of achievements and placements. He is different from every man. In order of Melchizedek, he had received priesthood from the eternal priest Jesus, and he plays a great role in attaching people to the altar of Jesus and giving them an eternal divine grace. So lastly, but firstly, I'm going to wish him
very good morning to you all, dear parents, students, and respected teachers, and all the members of Christ Vidyaniketan family. Today, October 31st, we are celebrating our Manager's Day. Who is a manager? Manager is the one who manages. So Father Jacob, as our manager, manages so many things of Christ family. He manages Christ Vidyaniketan school. He manages Christ College. He manages other institutions of Christ Monastery. How does he do all these things? Is doing by employing others, one who is dealing with the people. He is managing Christ Vidyaniketan through me. He employed me. He employed the principal of Christ College. So he is the one who is in charge of all these institutions. We have very good support from Father Jacob Nirinyambile, our manager. That may be one of the reasons that he is selected as the second time as the manager of Christ's Monastery. We are very happy, dear Father Jacob, as our manager. Today he is celebrating his birthday too. Happy birthday, dear Father Jacob. And we have to think, why should we celebrate this day as Manager's Day? Manager, as I said earlier, manager is the one who manages everything. And it is the duty, it is the responsibility under him, all those who are under him, to show our respect, our love. That is why we are celebrating this day as Manager's Day. Dear Father Jacob, we, the members of the staff, students, teachers, and all the family members come together to wish you Manager's Day and your birthday greetings. Hope, Father, God will grant you good health of mind and body. Let us work together, manager, principal, staff members, students, and parents. Let us work together to bring the best in the school. Thank you very much.
It's that day that comes just once a year. We are happy that you are still here.
If you think you're getting old, then honey, let the truth be told. You only have eternity to go.
You made it one more time around the sun. Now's the time you have to have more fun.
Kick up your heels and try the ride and let your guard about just right. Now's the time when we all have to say, have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life.
You are full of love and grace. It pleases us to see your smiling face.
See you rise and be a star. We know that you'll go really far. This life is short, you have just begun. So have a happy birthday. We celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life.
Respected Father Jacob, you are sincere in your effort to motivate us and teach us to read. We are sincere in wishing you a pleasant and wonderful Manager's Day.
ക്രൈസ്റ്റ് വിദ്യാനികേതന്റെ എല്ലാ നോൺ ടീച്ചിങ് സ്റ്റാഫിന്റെ പേരിലും ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ജന്മദിന ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. ഇനിയും ഒരുപാട് ജന്മദിനങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് ഒരുമിച്ച് ആഘോഷിക്കാൻ ദൈവം ഇടവരുത്തട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രിയ മാനേജർ അച്ഛന് ആയുസ്സും ആരോഗ്യവും ഈശോയുടെ കൃപയും ധാരാളമായി ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.